It would be easy to say you look great, Charlie, but the truth is you look like Belladonna's, pull toy.
How droll. Now, what shall we do with this insect?
Squash it, bonk it, broil him in oil. Dress him up in a lumberjack outfit and make him chop down trees.
What do you suggest, Charlie?
I think a week's cruise to the Bahamas would be nice with lots of parting gifts.
Ah, the word parting gives me an idea.
Okay, guys, fun's fun, but the joke is over.
This is no joke, Chucky. You get to pull the lever that sends this meddling mutt on his way.
No way. You let him up. He may not be on my side, but he's still my pal.
Oh, yes. You tell her, Charlie.
If Itchy doesn't want to join us, this is what he gets. The easy choice is to pull. Remember the meat. Come on, it's not like Annabelle's going to take you back after you dumped her.
I won't do it.
Then I will.
Charlie, oh, help me. Oh, Charlie.
Forget you, lady. I'm coming for you, buddy.
You can't save him now, Chucky, 'cause now you belong to me!
Oh, please, hurry, Charlie, or instead of just round, I'm going to be ground round.
I'm trying it. Oh, it won't come off.
Here, Charlie, it's Annabelle's pin. Oh, put it on, quick.
Stop him! I got him! I got him!
Charlie, oh, it's still. Oh, then. Just in the nick! Go, Charlie! I knew you'd make the right choice!
Get this!